Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to remove clock from the lock screen of Samsung Galaxy Mobile. Friends, to remove clock of the lock screen of Samsung Galaxy Mobile is an easy process, my friends. Friends, see, this is my Samsung Galaxy Mobile, right? Now unlock this mobile. Now see, there is a clock, right? But if you want to remove this clock on the lock screen, how you can do that, my friends? So friends, for this, first you have to unlock your mobile. Then you have to swipe down from the top. Then you have to tap on the settings at the top right corner. Then my friends, you have to go on the lock screen. Just tap on here. Then simply you can see at the end, edit lock screen, right? Just tap on here on the edit lock screen. It will take a second. You have to wait a few seconds, right? And tap on the clock, my friends. See, there's 9:49, right? Just tap on here. And see, there's lots of types of clock. I've selected that one before, right? So my friends, if you don't want to see the clock on the lock screen, just you have to scroll down and see there is no clock. Just tap on here, then tap on down at the top right corner. Done, my friends. Now you can go back, and when it will be locked, your Samsung Galaxy Mobile, you can't see the clock, my friends, anymore. Now you can see, you can lock it. See, my friends, there is no clock on the lock screen, right? So my friends, like this, if you want, easily you can remove the clock from the lock screen, right? Friends, to remove clock from the lock screen of Samsung Galaxy Mobile, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.